Okay, so we have an interesting question here. It's a JAMB question under set theory. So it says, in a class of 46 students, 22 play football and 26 play volleyball. If 3 students play both games, how many play neither? And we have some options here. So from this information we have, from this question, we know that we'll have to use a Venn diagram to solve this question. And when using a Venn diagram, this will be our universal sets because this is the total number of students in that class. Then these other values will be our subsets. The number of those that play football and the number of those that play volleyball will be our subsets. So now let's write down the values of the universal and the subsets out. So the universal set will now be, we have a total number of 46. This will be the cardinal number for the universal set. Then the other subsets, which is number of those that play football, we have 22 for football. 22 play football. Then for volleyball, 26. So for volleyball, we have 26. So now let's get our diagram. This will be the Venn diagram here. And of course, we know that the subsets will be represented with circles. So the universal set, let me place the value up. Universal set will be here. The value will be 46. And we are going to represent these subsets, which is for football and volleyball, with circles. But let's see the last part of the question. It said if 3 students play both games, that means a number of students actually chose both football and volleyball. It means the circles will intersect. There will be a value for intersection. So this is how you're going to draw your circles and make them intersect. So 1 and 2. So this will be our football and this will be our volleyball. So this here will be where I will fix my 3. So for football and volleyball, we have 3 people, 3 students. So now that means I'll fix 3 here for this intersection because the 3 chose both football and volleyball. But in Venn diagram questions, the best way to start, in fact, the correct way to start solving any question involving Venn diagrams will be to start from the point of intersection. Start from the center. So I'll start from here, followed by this one, until I'm done with the question. So since it said if 3 students play both games, I have to start from the center here. And I'm fixing 3 there because this is the point of intersection where we have the number of students that play both football and volleyball. So I'm fixing 3 here. So this is 3. So 3 stays in there. And the next one is volleyball. So this is the circle for volleyball. And they say a total number of 26 play volleyball. And mind you, this is the whole circle for volleyball. So everything in this circle should be 26. So if everything in this circle should be 26, and I already have 3 there, it means I need to put 23 here. So this place will be 23. This is for the whole volleyball, and we have 26. And I have 3 already in the circle for volleyball. So that means I have to fix 23 here to make everything 26. So now we have 23 plus 3 is now 26. Or we could just say 26 minus this 3 to get this 23 here. So that's it. So we've done this one, we've done this one. So we are now on football. So football 22, and this is the whole circle for football. So football should be 22 according to the information we have. 22, but we have 3 already in the circle also. So what should complete it to make it 22? 19. So 19 plus 3 now gives us the exact 22 we have. Or we could just say 22 minus this 3 to get the 19. Remember, everything in the circle for football should be 22. We had 3 already, so I had to put 19 to make it 22. And in the question they said how many play neither. That means how many decided not to play any of them, and those people will be outside here. So this is where you fix the number of those that did not even choose any of the subsets, any of the football and volleyball. So I'm putting X here as the number of those that did not pick anyone. So X stays here. So we're going to use X to represent the number of those that play neither. That's those that did not choose any of them at all. And you know, in your Venn diagrams, every value in the diagram must add up to the universal set, the cardinal number for the universal set. So this 19 plus 3 plus 23 plus this x must give you 46 becomes an equation, and it gives you a clue on how to get your value for x, which is the number of those that play neither. So write it out: x plus 19 plus 3 and plus 23 must give this 46 cardinal number for your universal set. So we have x, so we have 19 plus 3, 22 plus 3, that's 45. So plus 45 equals 46. Of course, we collect like terms. So plus 46 moves over and becomes minus 40. Plus 45 rather moves over and becomes minus 45. So this plus 45 becomes minus 45. So x will now be equal to 46 minus 45. So we now have x equals 1. So for the number of those that play neither, we have 1 as our final answer here. So let's see the options and let's pick the right value from the options. So this will be our answer, option A. So that's it for Venn diagrams. Very, very easy, very simple.